In today's fast-paced and ever-changing job market, many people are turning to the gig economy as a way to earn extra income or even make a full-time living. The gig economy offers flexibility, freedom, and the opportunity to be your own boss. But how can you maximize your earnings in this competitive landscape? In this article, we will share 10 expert tips that will help you earn more money than ever before. Diversify your skills. One of the best ways to increase your earning potential in the gig economy is by diversifying your skills. Instead of focusing on just one area, consider expanding your skill set to offer multiple services. For example, if you're a graphic designer, also learn web design or social media marketing. By offering a variety of services, you'll attract more clients and command higher rates. Build an online presence. In today's digital age, having an online presence is crucial for success in the gig economy. Create a professional website or portfolio showcasing your work and expertise. Utilize social media platforms like LinkedIn and Instagram to connect with potential clients and showcase your skills through regular updates and engaging content. Network like never before. Networking is key when it comes to finding new opportunities in the gig economy. Attend industry events, join online communities related to your field of expertise, and reach out directly to potential clients or collaborators via email or social media platforms. Provide exceptional customer service. Word-of-mouth referrals are powerful in any business, but especially so in the gig economy where reputation matters greatly. Always strive for exceptional customer service by delivering high-quality work on time and being responsive to client inquiries or feedback. Set competitive rates. Determining how much you should charge for your services can be challenging, but setting competitive rates is essential for attracting clients while still valuing your time and expertise. Research what others in your field are charging and consider factors such as your experience, skill level, and the complexity of the project when determining your rates. Leverage online platforms. Take advantage of online platforms that connect freelancers with clients, such as Upwork or Fiverr. These platforms provide a steady stream of potential clients and offer built-in payment systems for convenience. Seek long-term clients. While one-off gigs can be lucrative, establishing long-term relationships with clients can provide stability and consistent income. Focus on delivering exceptional work to build trust with clients who may then hire you for ongoing projects or recommend you to their network. Upsell your services. Once you've established a rapport with a client, don't hesitate to upsell additional services or packages that could benefit them. For example, if you're a freelance writer working on an article for a client's website, suggest offering social media promotion or SEO optimization as add-ons to enhance the value of your service. Continuously improve your skills. The gig economy is highly competitive, so it's crucial to stay ahead by continuously improving your skills through online courses, workshops, or industry certifications. Invest in yourself and keep up to date with the latest trends and technologies in your field. Manage your finances wisely. Finally, managing your finances wisely is essential when working in the gig economy where income can fluctuate from month to month. Set aside money for taxes and business expenses regularly while also saving for future goals like retirement or emergencies. In conclusion, the gig economy offers immense opportunities for those seeking financial independence, but maximizing earning potential requires strategic planning and execution. By diversifying skills, building an online presence, networking effectively, providing exceptional customer service, setting competitive rates, leveraging online platforms, seeking long-term clients, upselling services, continuously improving skills, and managing finances wisely, you can position yourself for success in the gig economy and earn more money than ever before. So, take these expert tips to heart, put them into action, and watch your income soar in the gig economy.